this video, I'll show you how to use Google Lens in Chrome on your desktop to search images, copy text, and find information directly from any web page. The Google Chrome browser includes Google Lens, a powerful visual search tool that lets you identify objects, translate text, and search images instantly. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, go to any web page that contains an image you want to search. Now right-click on the image. From the menu that appears, click Search Image with Google Lens. A panel will open on the right side of the browser showing results from Google Lens. Here you can see similar images, related products, text recognition results, and more information about the image. If the image contains text, Google Lens can also copy the text, translate it, or search it on Google. You can also use Google Lens to select a specific part of an image. Just drag your mouse over the area you want to search, and Chrome will show results related to that section. This feature is very useful for reverse image search, identifying objects, translating text in images, and finding product information quickly. And that's it. That's how you use Google Lens in Chrome on desktop to search images and get instant visual information. If this video helped you, give it a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more Chrome tips and tech tutorials.